Hi there, this is the story of Eightco, ticker symbol OCTO. Right now the market cap is about $122 million and the price, big surprise, has increased from $1.40 to over $70 in the past, and now it's about $40. So investors who bought this company in the past had a return over 3,000% in just a few days, one or two, and that's quite amazing. And as the market cap is so small, around $122 million, the next question is whether Eightco is a great investment at the current price. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and you'll find the answer here. Now, to understand my answer, you have first to understand why the price has increased so much in just a few days, and then what's next, right? If you read the news, you will see that this company, Eightco, announced $270 million private placement. And what will they do with this money? Well, they'll use this money to raise from private investors and from the public market to buy a cryptocurrency called Worldcoin tokens. This cryptocurrency is backed by OpenAI's Sam Altman. And by the way, also BitMine Immersion invested $20 million in this company for this private placement. And if you know about BitMine, they follow the same strategy. They raise money from investors to buy Ethereum. But for this company, Eightco, they raise money from investors to buy Worldcoin tokens, this cryptocurrency. And because of this, the market cap has increased so much, over 3,000%. Now, this also happened, this amazing growth, increase in the stock price, because also the market cap was quite small, less than 100 million. And when you have a small market cap and you announce some private placement like this, of course, you can push the stock price even higher. And from this level, again, you might have other increases because the market cap is still small. Now, here is the thing you have to understand about this company, because if you buy at the wrong time, you get burned, because this company is highly speculative. And to understand this, you have to look at their fundamentals first. If you got the revenue over the last 3 years, 30 million, 67 million, and then a decline to 49 million, and for the first part of 2025, 17 million. Here they make money from inventory management solutions for e-commerce. And also they want to acquire new companies in this area. Now, I don't know if they will continue this business strategy, because now, as you can see, they have other plans to use all their money to buy altcoins tokens. Then, if you look at their earnings, minus, only a profit in 24, but this happened because of some changes in their assets. And then for the first half of 2025, another loss of 3.7 million. So, their business, you can't rely too much on it. Only to value it, only if they continue and hope to make a profit, to grow more in the future. Now, if you look at their balance sheet, they have only, close to 700K, less than $1 million. And their debt is quite huge compared to their revenue, over $41.6 million. And by the way, those are convertible notes. You have to be aware of this because you'll have more dilution in the future. And here is the thing about this company, Eightco. Yes, even if they have big investors, they have this private placement, 270 million. And if you compare this investment with the current market cap, you can see that, yes, you can have another double from this level. But don't rush, because if you look at the number of shares here, over just the end of 24 and the beginning of 25, you can see the number of shares has increased from 2.4 million to 3 million. And it's likely, because of those convertible notes, they will increase the number of shares more in the future. And you will have dilution. And this is the biggest risk with this company, Eightco. the same story as Bitcoin immersion. The market cap will increase for sure, but the price will go down. And do you know why? Let me explain. Because of this dilution. Imagine this. You own a piece of land, right? 100%. And then next day you find out you no longer own 100% but 80%. Because they increase the number of shares. And this number, as I said, for sure will increase more in the future. Because they will raise money from investors from the public market and private investors to buy this cryptocurrency, Worldcoin. And they also have those convertible notes, their debt. And the more shares they issue, they will bring more shareholders. And you have to divide your land with more people. And instead of owning 80%, 100%, you own 40%. And that's why the price will go down. But now, here is the thing. If the increase in the number of shares, let's say, number of shares increases by 80%. Yes? And the value in this cryptocurrency Worldcoin increases by 200%. And if you do the difference, you are left with 120. So in this case, if you have a higher increase in the value of this coin, you still make money. And at the current market cap, yes, Eightco can be a good investment. But only if this cryptocurrency, the increase in the price of this cryptocurrency is higher than the increase in the number of shares. So only in this scenario, you can make money with this company. Otherwise, if you have a higher increase in the number of shares, 80%, and here only 20%, then you lose money in this case. So you have to be very, very careful here. That's why investing in this company is quite risky. You depend on the price of this cryptocurrency, Worldcoin, and also on the management. How many shares are they going to issue? So, to open the box and tell you whether Eightco is a great investment, right now, my answer is no. The same pattern, the same story as Bitcoin immersion. Just check my past videos about this company, Bitcoin immersion, and you'll see that I predicted the decline in the stock price many times. And to give you another prediction, the stock price from this level, $40 per share, will continue to decline even more. Only the stock price. The market cap can increase, but the stock price will go down because of more dilution in the future. That is likely to come. This is my prediction. Now, if you want better investment ideas, when you don't fool around, you don't depend on some cryptocurrency or the management if they issue more shares, simply go to my profile, press join, and choose Titan Investor. And there you have access to my portfolio, where I have far better investment ideas than Eightco. And all my investments are up. I also offer an investing course, other in-depth analysis, and plus you get access to the previous levels, Spartan and Gladiator. So if you want to stop losing money with companies like this, simply join my membership and see my portfolio. Now, there are some people that prefer to invest in Eightco. They have something with this company, right? And if you were to force me to invest $1 million in this company, what price would I pay? And the answer will be available only for members. And to be fair with you, for Spartan members, where the price is much lower. So, see you there.